Hi there, students. To take a bow. To take a bow. Okay, this is an idiom which means to accept praise or accept congratulations, normally at the end of a performance. So maybe you go to the theatre and at the end everybody starts clapping and all of the actors get up on stage and they take a bow. So to bow is to nod your head downwards, yeah? Or it's so if you're taking a bow, you are receiving recognition, you're receiving applause for a good performance because you've done very well, yeah? So the concert ended and the performers took a bow. Yeah, this is this point where you bow towards an audience that is applauding. Yeah. You can also use this figuratively to say that somebody should take a bow. They deserve to be praised. Yeah. So I think I should take a bow for the remarkable channel that I have created over the years. Okay, so to take a bow, to receive admiration, yeah, to step up, to stand up and receive recognition and applause. The conductor made the soloists stand up and take a bow and receive their recognition. Okay, and this is the idea of to take a bow. This bow is a gesture, yeah, and then to take a bow, to accept praise. Now, normally this happens at the end of a performance, at the end of something. So we can also use this phrase to take a bow, talking about to leave somewhere, to bow out, to leave. So I think it is time for our illustrious boss to take a bow and leave. Yeah. So if somebody takes a bow, they are accepting the final applauses and then going. So you can use this to take a bow, meaning to leave, to stop doing something. I think though normally it's with the credit or the blame associated with it. So I'm wondering, did Boris Johnson take a bow? Well, he certainly was criticised and took blame for certain circumstances. So, well, maybe he did. I think I would, though, maybe use the phrasal verb to bow out, to exit from a situation. Okay, so to take a bow, to bow and acknowledge credit for a good performance. Yeah, the soprano sang beautifully, and after the performance, she was given roses and took a bow. With the audience. Okay, so okay, to take a bow, yeah, to accept or acknowledge the applause after a performance. I think that's the most important part about it, is at the end of a performance to take your recognition. It can be used negatively, but it's normally to take a bow is something positive. It's a way to say you deserve to be praised. Yeah, you've done really well. I mean, I think this is particularly in the theatre where you have a line of the actors after the performance and they all bow to the audience, and that is to take a bow, to accept your praise. So, formality, to take a bow. I think I'm going to give it 4.5 in formality. Use informally, use semi-formally, spoken, use it in a semi-formal writing. In something very formal, Probably not. To accept praise, for example. So I think it's time for me to take a bow. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Take a bow.